Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Yeah. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. Will you make one cover? 1, 2, 3. I can breathe without you, say. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, Lord. I can move without you. Hey, who am I without you? Who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can live without you. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, yeah. I can move without you. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Hey, we are my thing now. So, Awusia me hoye pa, me gidi esa also hoye pa. Good afternoon, good morning, and have a good evening, baby. I will wiase bia. And I memenda edikan October 2021. The community and the law, and I day brewy. Your friend will recruit friend porn. Me no babetsna ewujmedi so na ye don hwe me no edi animu. Na yababi di emremu enkomo pa. Nene question me baby sa no a very interesting question. Na no na meka na mi bisa say so kwa awade e bisa. Na okwa awade na emremu yesi aware no enya awade a. Na okoya na se obai. Emremu se wo ware a eden na abetin dia yetitiru ewo asetremu ewo UK ha. Ebi onso so ene sembebre apie ni opportunities bebre apie a meba beda na di ade a kiro. Na dia meba beka titiru no eye ekwan a Mukaya BWF Solicitors MIT visa opportunities be apie a yeba bedi ho nkomo na watimi ekofa obusuani unua ana se obi efri Ghana ede no aba UK no aba ba ye adwuma abusia we nkomo ede pa because updates na ba no solid na unyan ba bia just say the community and the law. So the community and the law BWF Solicitors are 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so and na wafa ehoka na wode broye yeshia menda area between 4 and 6 p.m. our UK time. Now BWF Solicitors omo juma Monday to Friday. If we are not 9:30, we see you 6 o'clock. Or for one 0208 493 7340. And now say 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors Simen Kancho says they are your trusted legal partners. Inti anyone in Ninkomo. One and our fame to Medioka. Yako near Baniaba. And then ebe de pa.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa, Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron, 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura wo ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eya abofrahwe mu, awaregya ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma wo legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Ye child care, any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ni eya wo brei mu. Enu nti ne yeto ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasa ginatum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se ye taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso eye appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Yo, me bawa mania se me kotonkra na maba BWF Solicitors ena me de won komo e de abro no nti se wo hwehwe won wa me sense so omo wo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so e was Seven Sisters North London over trainer over Victoria line na wasi e was Seven Sisters second floor second exit now we call 4th floor of building now p if we second exit no mo animo na and I say Anna House Bunsi a training mo kakraka Anna House. Oko 4th floor eho ena omo. That's the only law firm in the UK. Oko ha ubenya Ghana chocolate. Sometimes it be shada akwa no makodi chocolate a day. Juju omo ansa na omo akofie. Sa ene ye penesa. Intibra ne ba besra yen. Fa omra mo nsama hodo ni nyina mai. Se ope lawyer ni amana kwakuja wo ewo quarter. Wodi an se oni BWF Solicitors ena ebedi enkomo. Se ope se ye church Ghana mrase. And then I say one kasampo where you're confident enough, I feel with documents, but who has a lawyer ni behwe mo amawa. BWF Solicitors a year document check and nti fakokoma na obedi ho dwuma e de ama. Abusia enen so me mo akwaba. Me kai will say live e wo BWF Solicitors Facebook page. Any live e wo BWF Solicitors YouTube page. E bi also so Abawa Radio e wo UK a wafa dwumadi ato apete ama onati4 ewo UK ha ama wate sanso so ena ye live ewo PAM TV so other platforms ebeba yebeba so ede akyerɛw mo a wɔhyia ɛwɔ efie menim sɛ abusuafo ɛwɔ Hamburg Germany ɛyɛ Kuya Dion ɛna afei abusuafo ne nyinaa wɔatena ase asɔ TV kakraka ɛte ho meda mo ase nyame nhyia mo nso amo line no so no in and the course no me recognize mo nyinaa na afei ye nyinaa ye hunu sɛ ye abusua baako a ɛnɛ ye hyia ɛwɔ dwumadie so ɛnɛ ɔpɛni kɛseɛ na nkasa wɔ da BWF Solicitors ano ɛna ɛwɔ ha na ɛnɛ nkɔmɔ na ɛde paa emu hwɛm paa updates aba no ɛyɛ kama ade a was a woman. Say, lawyer for no catcher or say, I was see did I was say, Bowen training, home office, and who did Simbinia here. And the response by Kwaba, we're going to see a typical pre-action protocol letter back. And I think so, what did you maybe a call any home office, a 3 months or 10 and one response about me, Baba catcher. I think so, if I saw Utimedia tomatoes, Utimedia carrots. Utimi a year full come. You have a chance. Maybe I can't show. Okay. Answer no. Mami Emma openi akwaba. Enti me ba na fe me de mini penny. Me papa. Yen executive producer. And our things so the main brain behind what we are doing today. And everywhere and Mr. Bernard Usu. Ono ena the senior partner of BWF Solicitors. Uncle Ben, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Kweku.
Now, what to say?
Yehowa Dumo Bibi Aboko, na moso e.
Yami adum. Me share watch it.
Yes, Kweku. I'm pakra. Ishia yache. Ishia yache. Yeah.
Me ho ye pa.
Me himself ho ye. Unfortunately, no. So na ye weather net. Sometimes, no. So we move be sana. I was offer telephone friend because last 2 weeks say yeah now for no back na yere aka baby and so na she say telling kanche ti say o ti obi kanche
no so hwehwe
no I was offer telephone so na come out no chibia na asemaba yeah
da nyame ase na nso so ye nya kwan aba ba hia na ene nkomo na ye me de pa the entire amount for many engine say Uncle Ben did kind of brief me say Kwaku dem come am dey ba na emu until last week me pon no na me boy amount for man say wan kasa nyame eye adoma wo ba ka yensa e wo ha na wa ba bedri de mame eni kan to me kana de adwoda bia wo de maye na ye topete no ye fa ye nuggets no to na fe ye ni ho enkomo na de Uncle Ben de na say BWF Solicitors de maye earlier in the week and they say when your visa expires whilst your application is still with the Home Office or you have an appeal pending and you made the application to the Home Office when you still had a valid visa, your visa is automatically extended by Section 3C called 3C Leave. This is named after Section 3C of the Immigration Act of 1971, which essentially provides that the person's visa continues until the application or appeal is decided. Sene de bia mekano wo mo wotiri mu no wade akansem wo go tu efiri mra no mo de abrɛ akin Nola and Anno versus Upper Tribunal and Anno 2021 case here 2021 year a case IPA and Section 3C of the Immigration Act of 1971 and what day am I again yanam taka we dey mo bro for the bia de tiene say nti say me the application call na kodi o mo nsɛm a until so de bebre me no me hu so
sanity first of all mami chia a team for ne when I was joining on Facebook ya damase say na wotwe bia imprensa imprenai obeka ye ho dodo na aye wona wo share woni ye ndin komo kwaku de tene say first of all no so we application call Home Officer and yes I would call ya na the decision abroad.
Okay.
Dodo na nim se bi ho it could na wotwe mienu bosome miensa afe mfimienu ne saade no. Enti 1976 no. Omo ye law be a friend of variation of leave order VOLO. Na sa adene na those days na didi agro de ye adwuma. Na law no 71 act no mo amende no. Ama omo de ko share section 3C. Okay. 3C ne 3C12. and there were 3D. 3D from 2015, a year free for appeals. Okay. The appeals are covered under 3C2. And say, what to me, your application, no? And sana was sitting on a war. Now, Omo American men can't more EU residence card and so.
Okay.
Because more EU residence card, and then more apply for EUSS. Within the withdrawal agreement,
okay,
Yamamu protection. All those almost stated specifically say cover munyina but protection say obi obey an application be our right of appeal. Enti enye eno poten na yeka and a 3C no more leave to remain. To be actual leave to remain bia no. So we have application now. I will say we have application, a valid application, and sana was it an ewu. Say nyako ka monsa, the besi wa chiri bia no we are protected. The only other thing I can count is paragraph 34 of the immigration rules. No, actually valid application. Nti wa fill forms. Wetu ya usika. Ko online untu ya sika na enko. Untu ya usika waji fee exemption ya mau code into wodi ahyeso. Eko yesiko bonsa wa bonsa. Home office nhihye no se bibi wo ho a wamfamba enye se prekona na reject your application no as invalid. Omema time now the aba. Na chese application na to aso. Se sa na tie dia we are covered. Kwaku die ntie te sa na se bibi aye bia ye free continuity of residence and our lawful residence. Or we both under 5 years indefinite leave, 10 years indefinite leave. And I say ye ba long residence. Sa na mani nyina na wo se nipa na tena ha lawfully. Lawfully na dey kira na say wasetena na enwui and I say wu a any say wu more than 14 days. Because and on some more setana more than 14 days. No. Although say technically na setana break, but omo are covered. Say reason tia 1 year application before within 14 days we are not so you're covered.
Okay.
But there was a Shannon so no say you refuse application now. Now our right of appeal and administrative reviewer. And also, we appeal an administrative reviewer within time on the amount either 10 working days and 28 days now. We are covered. Section 3C no twaso, 3C2 as a twaso. Kopem timer on by your decision.
Okay.
Now the only other problem is we application now was setna. Near refuse to was setna no. Now we need right of appeal, but we judicial reviewer. Section 3C no and cover. Inti ano no break of residence, but so who read the Home Office for almost definition of continuity of residence. My case workers in discretion. So I can't say my case worker discretion. I did try and say your money to me. Yes, say obikra anyan appeal in term and now your judicial review. But all those break a bemono. So appeal no is successful. And our judicial review near successful, and administrative review near successful. Time now a breaking. Mamma function so mofamano, na yemfa enka.
There's a case worker no or share would know the mimi day.
Well, I think sir you be more benefit of the doubt. Okay. So once within the law no or near me in aye pepe no. Yeah.
Okay. I was enforced a fee and wabe joining a fair decaying and many opening Uncle Ben, teaching a home and common at the eka and I say, sir, was sitting on no in we na or your application na a could do or moha, send you actually mono, not in we or mobile to us so ashe, okay, so no cosise. Rebecca Wasem Amano Essie. Yet also me no ye day brew a segment team, ye say, before Fruby epi, and then me woman you know I'm a day brew. Seasonal worker visa T5 to come to the UK for up to 6 months to do farm work. No, there are more actually when they say, and when you maybe also would this, so you must have a sponsor, you must be 18 years minimum. You must have a certificate of sponsorship and you have at least 1,270 available in account for 28 days unless exempt. And I fee with me at na UK for up to 6 months. Visa fee no £244. Now, me who we am at the pa. 6 months they say. Anyway, by the way.
Well, I had a war and a friend or normal friend or tier 5 youth mobility, but almost switching in the last few months at the seasonal workers at Beshao. Because some of them name is a CIT. There were issues a beer, Christmas, not vegetables, cranny and yabi.
Send your picture who I did.
Well, I don't say another issue. 80 farmers no near bano aye meetings say almost started last year say ye hian crofo ti this year say farmers ni bi wa vegetables ni bi ho mandua kra you say omo farmer no mate so by 20% because EU for na netete omo nyina eko ti aban no afa atone so sa ne obibiem initially o ma 15,000 say crofo 15,000 betimi aba sisi ade we biem time limit be any home. Now, Shishani are very straightforward.
Okay.
Apart from one fee EU airban, visa fee no 224. Inti any visitors fee difference be any visitors fee about £80, so you're 224. The only other thing I mean who say Ghana for no say first of all, I will say when your farmer be or license. Most of the farmers commercial farmers license. Obefa, Obema will be a friend of course, COS, certificate of sponsorship.
Okay.
Now, my certificate of sponsorship now what they apply for visa no. And I say, menu be kasai, me catch and say, or no outside, into on drive on farms no. I heard say, Omuhian Crawford. Now, obey me as a Sanko for Ghana, not I think, say, the other thing, advantage account say, so what the service and about to me school.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Within the 6 months, no bet me I education. And Tiano say idea. The only thing that be a friend of eaters yes, certain type of education and obey here permission and son away about me education be I was away. And idea Ghana for young time next week say I'm say a lawyer son about casa about business is a person fan for if you Ghana but say now obey you break it be down or be okay because the person and say a person buy community in say India and Pakistani Chinese for send a bear
boy because the entire boy
yeah hope one of the another topic now on bet me businesses a wahano my main problem is businesses no almost set up we crowns and my advice within the last week in a minute for bear 4 akasa omo set up a typical Ghanaian business people have said typical Ghanaian business here. Then typical Ghanaian business, say, okay, yes, me here computer. Until no answer my computer, my desk, my high, will be room back on. That's it. No, but business goes beyond that. Once I start a business, conception stage, I just say we product manufacturing, or concept, or dream, or vision. We're reducing into writing, into what draw business plan. Why P&L. And I say why your management accounts forecast what Troy go paper so accountant bebwa. But within that I was say we invested into systems until we be home office juma ma because we employer we buy be home office juma ma when I will check is nipa no on krata nipa no will be keeping the data again our responsibilities under data protection act so data now we keep abuse Intinya dia would you go pen drive or so. There was we invest into a computer system, a proper network with iCloud facility. And I make say iCloud, iPhone,
cloud
Apple, into cloud facility.
Okay.
I idea invested. YJ HM software and our human resource. Because home office be sending in why JD a friend job description why you what the account. Till next week, lawyer obekasa either Friday and Saturday, businesses are more Ghana for business. Ya pesi ya chire na ye nyina no ya de ne yi. Ya de ne yi because ade da wo ya wo say we invested na ade ne ye because so we invested na equipment na software and robust continuity of business plan is anema na insurance be bia wo aya dimo home office no ana yeah.
You another update out there by say along the same line say social workers and also so a dear my interest a bit me akan social workers the say conditioner no say wetimi dey atoso e dey amaya social workers na dey no yenhwe say ye betimi no aba and also so no ni conditions more dey amma yen nti mami me ye dey hwehwe e dey atoso no menkenkan ha emfa emma say seasonal workers T5 come to the UK to work for up to 6 months. I know social workers at the
I know your seasonal workers.
Seasonal workers and farmers they know and no near boss.
Yeah.
Okay. Say 6 months no so I'm say no near boss. I think I was a bit confused. So 6 months no so. Na uvisa no wua. Ubetimi extend the atnemu atwa so. Se bia makonya obia o dua tomatoes. Tomatoes no minim say a season be up to 6 months. Ye dua bi. But you're planning for another season. Obetimi extend me visa no?
Absolutely not. The maximum period I obetimi at now is 6 months. And it's a 6 months in wua. I was a woko. Na mum obi anim say within your law no. Near maybe o to make cover. You fancy bia obaye no wabehia obi. Nipa no won krata. Wa 5 to buy na within 1 month no. Ti time no so.
Those na be na offer.
Ti time no so na oba na fa bia wanya 5 months. Aka 4 months no. Say no na opese what your application because I just all try na akola no. Oba no wo ansa na wetim the application. No be na wo ye dia. And human rights or I am kasa sometimes na I person kasa within the law this is what it is. Outside the law no, you have 2 requirements either pure conventional article 8 I afraid of human rights and your home office for human rights are my under appendix FM no and as exceptional router or my any of those no betimi abem say obi ebaha with seasonal agriculture we be no be adwuma and 6 months no so but oba we focus this December for 6 months because in lead to settlement.
But what about between us?
Oh yeah, anytime. Every year
me a very good student.
Yeah.
And maybe more continuity of a year. My 6 months, my ba. We were reasonable expectations say my sign aba. Me try
we apply We apply. No.
But say farmer crona hear me obetimi asama.
Anytime. Timo amo outside London no. Within M25 outside M25 no. So who farmer bia koda kopisa so yan crofo no license obetimi aye. Na waboa no na wo so de aboa obi wo Ghana na ono so de age we need be known so the aba.
Okay. I was for as what the BWF Solicitors a chair. Do maybe our more can say a day we any home office chicken manson na say you know more a candidate day. Nti ye kan no sabe enye say wotna dwumadi so anas wotna radio ni TV so ene wo ka say wodi ho dwuma na mom wotro ho nkrata edi akiri ye ho phone calls consult nkrofo bebre ene ade na watimi de dwumadi no akọ si senia e wo say esi ekro na wotwi mu me tri ayeye me hu say letters be aba e kire say BWF Solicitors dwumadi omudi ye no akwa animu ama omanya ho response baako for purposes of yedwumadi nti ana say privacy nti no makata edi no so but the omo can say thank you for your letter of 3rd September or 3 September about extended family members following the closure of the EEA family permit route. In line with the withdrawal agreement, the EEA family permit route closed on 31st December 2020 to applications for extended family members other than durable partners, and on 30th of June 2021 to other applications, and EEA family permits ceased to be valid for travel to the UK after 30th of June 2021. However, we recognize Article 10.3 of the withdrawal agreement requires the facilitation of entry and residence for extended family members whose application for an EEA family permit made by the end of the transition period was successful, including on appeal. Consistent with this, we have therefore since July 1, 2021 issued an EU settlement scheme EUSS family permit to those family members qualifying for it who could not be issued with EEA family permit because the route had closed. Letter no to us so this arrangement has not so far covered extended family members other than durable partners because as the withdrawal agreement does not require the ongoing facilitation of their entry to the UK, such family members are not currently within the scope of the relevant immigration rules in Appendix EU, that is family permit. However, as you indicate in your letter, this has created a lacuna in respect of Article 10.3 of the withdrawal agreement. I'm therefore pleased to be able to inform you, pending the next appropriate set of rules changes, we are creating a concession outside Appendix EU, which will be set out in the published EUSS Family Permit Guidance. This will enable an EUSS Family Permit to be granted on an extended family member who applied for an EEA Family Permit by December 31, 2020, and would have been granted this, including on appeal, had the route not closed. What can I say? Yeah, the segment we grab by as the lawyer. My the road near Sincrofa Coquetu near deal. Uncle Ben, Monio.
Yeah, I'm set. Let's talk about Kubiso.
And another one, a pre-action protocol.
Yeah.
Okay. For no so, etoso mamena yemfa niminu and kamum. Also, thank you for a letter before claim of 9 August 2021 in accordance with the procedure set out in the pre-action protocol for judicial review, in which you are requesting the issue of documents on the EEA family permit applications dated 18 February 2020. I can confirm that eligible extended family members who could not be issued with an EEA family permit, including in light of an allowed appeal, as that route finally closed on 30th of June 2021, will be issued instead with an EU settlement scheme family permit. This is good news.
Yes, quite cool. Sir, you know, I've always said, sir, the entire your fraud lawyer or the law na ye juma. And I win you be a sabio we are quadro and tea se bibi bar. What can I say? I am pensing pace mushe. Say ade aba no first of all ade to asomo say to asomo a wo ye den challenge no to asomo a obetimi ahwe ho apone ho kakra na wafa tokro na wabie na na ano na ye de adwuma. And I've always said, sir, for the community no, the emphasis is say you be provide a competent and effective legal service ama community no enti unse be do be na home office for aka say all those application are successful and our appeal now is successful. No? Because a year successful after 30th of June, which is from 1st of July. All those we have application before December. No? Sorry, bye-bye. Well, you know.
You can't do that.
No, yeah, bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
You can't do that.
And
one was a wadia to
yeah, which means all they were doing is we application as extended family member. Or me decision because when after June, no, yeah, the mark crowd to me famba na omaye, and that's what we saw. So that's what they were doing, and I felt absolutely wrong. And many lawyers in it now say, and yeah, craft pre-action protocol in relying on Article 10.3 of the withdrawal agreement, because for us, you know. A very important, sir. So we a lawyer. We can create avenues ma or more ni kasama for. And in me very particular about advice. Our lawyers ma radio and TV. Very, very particular. Because
one can hear but confusion.
Yeah. And for us, you know, it seems oma jai sankwasi adeno. Adi been so almost started. I know see oma jai about Ghanaian marriages now. Eventually, you know. These are the things I had to be a cassette. So, oh, color, I was so, you know, and you'll be about radio and TV soon, you know, because I am very confusing law and Ankasa, even EU, Appendix EU, and you read in the crown sometimes they create problems. Ain't you glad, sir, or more extended family members, more trying appeal, you know, I'm an issue. Eventually, no, so we winning more pills and I'm about more winning more pills that I know. Almost started to or more card no ebe mamo mo amo ba no so o mo be mamo we na mo dia ba nti kwaku a good news ma obia
me mo share say mo ye ho dede na nim say eventually ebepie and probably obi beka say abantem probably since before say ye need that so say ebeba na nso so say wo brofo no mu pi say na ya na Uncle Ben ta aka no na uma ink ko brofo no ne letter no mu a home office for omo ehu emra no say sitie no ma ye mistake they are humble enough to accept to say or more I mistake to say yenya evidence. Abusia who share yen our Facebook so our BWF Solicitors or share yen our YouTube our BWF Solicitors. Bosumi ya remi aye bosumi do ye October bosumi no kai say BWF Solicitors emra no yenim na yepese ye de ye adwuma na wote ase but ye dwene community no so ho as well. And unti all throughout the month no ye breast cancer awareness campaign ye be ma amanfo ehunu say bibi to na yade no bi na say ekokanwa uwa yenye obi ema no emma ye nchen eme ne nya adwuma anase yenye obi ene no endijuma no ewo eye radio so any TV so mo amaba no Ezekiel Johnson was say Uncle Ben's passion in fighting for the legal rights of the community is very clear. God bless you, Uncle Ben. Prof, last one in farmer. You have a point on there. Become a tired once. Uncle Ben, not wise man or Obo Jimono. You are in a league of your own, no size. Sanso and I, Thomas Ojo, for this honorable service over the years, may the Lord God richly bless you and your seeds forevermore, my dear brother. Thomas Ojo Ena Ede Ebae. Margaret Edu Mensa, please keep sharing. You keep saying it CP. Sanso Ena your mama Erabna Kwam or line also. Wumpini Adam, please join us online. Dodwana Moba so no so Yadamwa say. Facebook tells me that you have shared 200 as of this time. The BIA me pay minimum of 300. But your monfa enka ho na ene ebetimi ya yenko 500. Ye ba na afi ye de enkomo no abro enkomo ye na ye de ebro wo no ye bisa se ebe den na yakase wa ware no enye aware. Now there's a term here, it sounds very interesting. Limping marriage. Eno eye de. Uncle Ben e wo ha ene oba bibi ne so e de a kire how to avoid those situations. The community and the law. Yeah, we say me that say ugusu ni etie. Me pa share page no. Na oko yen Facebook page na like the page and share as well. If you also saw say oko yen YouTube page no so na wa like and wa subscribe so that ya de notification be aba on sa ebe no straight away. When is your marriage not recognized? Limping marriage and okra eyede. Ebusia senior more can we say the great law professor and his team. And team I law professor na nkasa ho. Ono na kasa home office for 18. Na yankɔhwɛ yen topic no ebio. Eye aware a yen recognize. Akame na aware ye. Mwache ye mu kwanya Ghana ye faso eye ya wade na afi ye gitum na emra egitum wo Ghana emra gitum e wo UK. Den na afi ye timi anaso obitimi tena ba because no aware we nya aware.
Okay, well, I mean, first of all, no, aware eye ade a ede niema mfaso bebre eba. Sabe Bible no kra kasa ya adepa. Enti se waware a adepa. Enti nhihye ne se wo ye de a ene wo se wo ye no se na emra no ehihye no.
Okay.
Niema mienu ana mepese meka no enwumre. Ba ko ne se kromu ha no omo aware nhihye no different from Ghana for there. Enti se wo wa ha na wo ne wo wo fa bi abomutrim na makwahye ne garden summer time na waje waware wa ha efie die ni bi na ekire makọ muzama asore wa ha na yakohira so ne muzama for na ma certificate kai hu se won ware. First of all no kromo ha no under the Marriage Act no I was say ya ware a ye no designated place.
Okay.
And a nipa no ware no so no you be a yaman a license into marriage registrars and as approved minister of religion per anitimi e ware na omo special license enti se wo pese wo ye wa ware ni wo fie dia advice aya ye de ma no se ma yenye papa no e wo Ghana emaw na wa ye no wo Ghana awie no na wo pese wo be use wo ha ana wo pese wo ye show marriage e wo ha na wa ye wo show marriage e wo ha. The other part no eye one a wo bi fi Ghana beba no waware ana se wo wa ha no waware Ghana ti ukogya ware o se chinchina mpese bigya wo Ghana na yakọ gu kukue bi na yakọ jai sa ware mama ye kwakusa asem we yeta kampa am se yetaka ekra yenkan ekra de be 15-16 years ni ye ma obia ehu se eye important se opese o ware a na opese ugu aware na krona woso no udi so samra no se ye kasi bibi ye limping marriage a chese aware no wo hode ba aware no aso gina ne nan ba ko enti enya de a eboa the entire emboa ne say ohwe case of Butcher versus Brifa na sa case na a court no ha no court for no asema Ghana for me no de kodane o won say Ghana for me no be man say we jai oba no e wo Ghana ana oba no say onjai no the entire na etisa ne say na oba no ehia aware no at least was aware ni did 3 years under EU rules no sa no etimi e de aye na setena ana be ma no nso se dan ne ba yo ono nso abodi trim so obegu aware no ansa na 3 years na du enti de koba ne se be ma no eye aware jai no wo Ghana mo hwe case of butchery and Brifa me mama Charlotte Boite and ochro advice no na advice ne mupi kama na de ye de we omo no se ye frɛ niema mienu bi eye related to wasetena wa ha enti ye frɛ bibi domicile and ye frɛ bibi habitual residence in an illegal definition by case of London Borough of Lambeth and other student finance cases ne other case no I can also say need definition no say you can be habitually resident na at least no watena baby ne tena na watena ho no wohwem na kyese kro no na wafa se eye ne kro ti se wonya betena ha for 12 months na ede kona wo pese wo gya aware wo Ghana just ye de court eye confusing intimi de menya aware no wo Ghana ye wo ha the entire tesa ne se ye gu aware no wo fie a nkrofo kɔgye gu aware no eno nso emmoa because enye court na ugu sa aware no tu ka say court aware gu a dodo na kuta statutory declaration na aya omode ba so lawyer wan say atwere high court so anya no ne yeka yes say also your application enti ade a wose ye hye no nso no say watena kromo for 12 months or more opese ugu aware a e wo say ugu no court ubenya agu no ha 2 say wo pese ugu no Ghana e wo say ugu no because your family law act what's now for more than 12 months.
Angben so dear mona me ma no monsieur kakra na afi mentoto ne ma ba kwa na me no bi emra sisi abusafo uguso etie the community and the law. Angben your senior partner BWF Solicitors ena oni edi nkomo no cheche ye nema eni so sele wade ye betimi age atum anase se wo gu awade na ye betimi age atum na waka bibi wo ha and me pese ye de ye afutu wo se ebetimi a se watna ha senior na what try so be explain habitual residence any domicile me ko ba mema na sign ati eno so bi but se betimi a nka ye wo ha but ebetimi a enko ba bi a share page no na afi me ba aba beto aso
ye fema ye wo London ya ji abasobodie bebre ne ya redare ewo mransem mu eye legal services BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na yebo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura wo ho inti se ba na ebusuansem bi ti se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twuma mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso ye child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo brei mu enu ntine ye to ye mboase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu yen senior partner ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasa jinatum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things? Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Yeah, abusia me da say wanya abotre na watwen yen na ade no tete ko but ye de yen komo ne ebedi nti say obi ekwa friend back na ka ne say we are back on because in definitions na ne dey about limping marriage any the ebema wo divorce engine tum ana say waware engine tum no na Uncle Ben church mu de amai Uncle Ben ko dey kafra na eyemfidie when say dream be a wo ba na jana so no na enfide ne ha adwen kakra but momfa enten yeah answer ne be kono na wo kire mu say wo ka bibi habitual resident and afi domicile confusion no and dey say me found by dictionary definition because will be a domiciled in a place a hono tie habitual residence so e hona metatna can you know Kayepe?
Tissa, ya case will be a domicile, a legal definition. And you will bury us here. Baby, a war now, Papa Fino. We are a domiciled by birth.
Okay.
And baby a wobekwa akotena no aya wo domicile by choice.
Okay.
And for your case domicile and a domicile usually na your baby aya wo anya baby a wote.
Okay.
So you can baby a wote there na you can habitual residence. And intina ya lawyers ni ye use niema bebre aya ye use domicile but ye use habitual residence. Even Ghana courts na kra aya decision about wills na niema ana intestacy aya o mo hwe baby a nipa no ye ordinarily resident and as a habitually resident. Because of two definitions, advice I had the man say, so person you Ghana warrior, I was say you Ghana ma. But person who jai Ghana warrior, no we ordinarily resident or na what and a half for 12 months. You know, aha, and I'm a young Ghana court demo na koye application no ho. I just say when I was starting with divorce no. One year na we create limping marriage scenario no a hard.
A dream be abba mechi musisi adam pese me bisa se ye Ghana wade na nipa no yenu na omo ware no oba ne be ma no obetumi am obi agina mo na mu na oma ya ware no properly ewo Ghana se ye guna yentimi en reverse sa situation na nka nipa me yenu nyina ho emma no mo ntiase no ntiase se ade no beyond repair and inti nka yenwu no emma won.
Well, say yakoya mamre mu ye dia na Ghana ware no aya busua ene abusua sa na mra no ka ye law no aya law a chese ye nananom ade aye adwuma nti create precedents or a constitution now or say the laws of Ghana shall comprise this constitution, common law, customary law, usages and practices, and a statute law. And ya warrior no tribe be a woman na ye faniema and 9 free.
Okay.
And 9 na ye fano se be ma na ti ase so be ware oba no oba na ti ase so be ware be ma no ebusuafo ati ase so be jinsa be ma na ebusuafo ati ase se omode etrinsa ana be ware no na last one no publicity ana se etna no because of acquaint unit no someone tena kra na affect aware no because be so bi wa America, Germany, France ne akọware si ho ama no na ebi abe afi mfimienu ohun oba no ntimi no nkyere so nware no still no aware no wo eba aware guna eno nso region tribe ana clan bia wo sena ye wona nhihye se minim se wati shregua shire yegu shire I don't know our reja and I can ya mamre no na ye wi a abusua na tena se ya hwe so oba na de be ma na ka ana be ma na de oba no ka na omaye case be akọ court of appeal wa ha very interesting Indian for no Asians no mo ware oba na am say otuatua ska akese bebre ti ba ko bi akọ court ne se nka okogye sika ana court no I'm say Oma Boegu. And very interesting. Usually with cases with international slant and international jurisprudence. No. Aya better say Obama will be or tiase. Ayama. And interna de be aya kase. So we be a fa Ghana warrior Ghana divorce, Ghana property, and our wills, and I will be a bahabe na busuan for some fano mra na dan for bi se me ma won no nko a better say obema Ghana ni lawyer aya
ono na beti ase because
ono not ase because ya mamra no ene ahamra no aye totally different until we say en hihye no or say hihye ni
I think ena wajoine me can for am say obetimi send o question and o concern no e de abrayen your text number no 07950422780 07950422780 and say Ubetimi afre sa number na so 07950422780. Ebi nso so ubetimi afre 0208-123-1016. Me wa question bi ewa ha efa yen updates are now the man. Uncle Ben, ubi say the 1,200 for 28 days for the agriculture work scheme. My account be my made well. The account being the applicant's name in a bank from Ghana, or can I provide my UK bank account with a said amount to guarantee for my brother? Is there any requirement for English language as well in the scheme?
There's no English language be an account. No, I will say any power or an account. Ghana say a financial authority. And I say a free BFCA. My approve bank no no account no fine. But Nipan account no Ghana and so na Bank of Ghana and a bank and a license and so on. Yes, I will say Nipan no account and you'll be for account. The only exemption is sponsor na farmer na Nipan no babe juma mano. Obetimi akaso ba me na mehwe no. No. Skasimbia Ember. Yeah.
Okay. Waiting for 0208-123-1016. And now say over 079504227880. We question also waiting me at all your platform no so a Facebook and now say YouTube. You be pick na fe ya de ama lawyer a year no ama me ba ku bin so or say our British child or say or name and a stepdad at different address. I have direct access to her in person with genuine and subsisting parental relationship. I am actively involved in the child's life, but partially because I am not able to take her to school and GP. But I take her to the park to play, help her with the class assignments and things like that. The child's mother is British and she has agreed to write direct access letter to support my application. What is the probability that my visa application will be successful since I cannot get letters from the GP and school?
Saniyama waboboso nyina ay alternatives. Mame letter ay alternative. Court order ay alternative. GP ay alternative. School letter ay alternative. Letter from gymnastics ay alternative.
Okay.
So when your mame letter na papa na letter, I don't quite fine.
Oh, okay. There's a win here letters ni be ba ko pair e be kire say wo akwala na brabo ne here.
Because almost per confirmation say wo akwala na life. Ti anya de wonko awo kan na on pese third person be come out. I didn't think I am Mobisa about who read the law ye and a guidance notes. Letter from the other parent or letter from GP or letter from school.
Oh, okay. Roxy Ann Ede Bakoaba or say, can someone find a way to regularize her stay in the UK after visiting for 6 months?
Well, I open-ended question. Pacho over 5 days. I say you go through immigration rules.
5 days.
Okay, I mean summarize it. First of all, so Obi Abaha as a visitor. Na be binti on to me inquire. It may be say a humanitarian protection asylum claim. It may be say our human rights. I have Article 8. Usually will not be private life. It may be private life under Article 3, which is a higher threshold because of medical reasons. Ningina no bear reasons are obetimi di atena. As a ubisa me say obi abaha as a visitor 6 months. Ojina na so oniba onihwe oha obetimi atena na. The answer is no, but bibia no time no so na bibi si ukwan a yebetimi ahwe na ahwese na ebetimi aboa.
Okay. Na se memfa ne se nipa no wanya letter from school and now say alternatively wanya letter from GP na or their can application no say or what difficulty a mo betimi aye more the mo ya na ye sika na free wa man no
oh a fee waiver
yeah betimi aye amani pakro
fee waiver no ye advice to be honest where your application. The first thing is me was scar me the first thing is met me a buy support Enya benefit idea obia ya court di ne nan sima kase mum biem ama o ma biem enti se wo ye nipa baako na enra crash bi of fryer ono ye adwuma am se 4 hours so se 2 hours a day ne ba wono ho onje child benefit se ni pay our application straight away was here man fee waiver na ya man recourse to public funds na omu yi no recourse streams enti de hia ne se wo be access wo ho mame mbo mokoko se wo koje sa de na wo sign se aban wo tumi na home office wo tumi se ye be hwe wachi enti wo credit file nyina ye be hwe wo send iska ko Ghana na wo ba wo Ghana e okay se wo send iska ko Ghana because wo ba na wo se wo hwe no the first I was send iska ko Ghana no nkyere se ye be refuse but se wo ska kese na ebia wakoto ebia TV 2000 wakoto ka menim bia second hand ebia watoka 2000 na niama omutimi kan hada na wakoto TV 2000 ko odo se TV ni bi o 300 no wo pe TV ye 2000 because TV no sabio nkrofo bebre no wo hwe kromo ha majority no mo TV white goods washing machine cooker microwave and sanya money na e okay utua mobile phone e okay utua TV license wo loan na utua but so what could loan 25,000 last year and this year now utua e bia 750 a month now so the meet here into the mama we are maybe that's 25,000 now koje be 1 year now scan what they call here then e bia now they are cut blocks e wo Ghana na no niema na betimi asiw kwa no but loan na utua na de nka okay but because it's car koje and won't me account for no I are creative problems.
Okay. Mami mra sa sika was sa farmers seasonal visa ya wo I was say that account move for a while.
For 28 days.
For 28 days. I was say exact amount and say bia 2 days be na so take akra 2 days be na abro sa sika no Ebana sa would they look at that and now say it was say a bar no pepe time bia.
Enti wo ye assessment our bank statement so I say sa 1,200 and whatever it is and that 28 days enti men hwe balance na was no. So once no bro sa balance no baby I was so hwe na say o ya bank statement no daily balances na what don't suffer mu say ade a wo ye ne say a drop aba aseda ti wo hwa wo bank statement ni na drop ya we fine.
Oh okay.
Yes, I have a bank statement because when you had this now we have closing balance 5,000, closing balance 6,000, closing balance 7,000 because closing balance end of the month and now we say there be so be come be a baby or now we see 500 600 na obi skebia betom be 4,000 na ekukuru balance anya no ne you had the daily balances no and also your bank statement ebi omunya every day ebi omo ye no ska kutuma na ya ma balance ska kutuma uyi ska na ya ma balance eno end no ha no eno na wo hwe e dey say a drop aba say enya drop there na che say sa month no
want me and qualify maybe some way because amount for a year no be a copy obi dofo bi no de ska bi akotum kakra ma no say edru ha a chi na mayi e dey amount enti say opening balance ni closing balance wo ko he no nko ade a wobeti.
That's correct. I was say daily balances. And to daily balance no eno na wo hwe na it is a drop about a sensor.
Okay. 0208 133 4646 and now say 0208 123 1016 and now so we 0795042270 0795042270 we send a text and so etime at the call your Facebook page and so and now say your YouTube page and so you were in near sofopani bi ehwe wo Maryland US Ura Martin Bew. I like this program, Pa. We're happy, even though you are in the US, you enjoyed the program. Uniske, so that was it. Uniske, you say a bit me afa what are the requirements for seasonal worker for Ghanaians who are interested, and which sector are they recruiting from for a lorry driver in Ghana with a Ghanaian license?
Well, lorry drivers, first of all, I was so check technical requirements, because we Brooklyn, Brussels sprouts, and said the here is a waiting yet. Now, sir, haulage drivers, say very technical. And teachers are qualifier. Bimu or me qualify, because Ghana be on 3 tankers now articulator. I mean, Ghana license, our Mudicino say internationally recognized, and I said, Obit me a years and be answered. I think that the bottom line is what I was social. But the haulage for them, so no, my beam, it seems at the moment, no more the 300 a back, the 1,005 back home. But more concentration here in Europe, because Europe's Europe license, I have one yet license for phobia.
Now, a idea or more but to Sikanum.
Haulage drivers, and I almost because me says a baller man no cry I'm on driver baller trucks and the donor I started driver haulage trucks because almost can cost from 53,000 Bimokrama 63,000. You may be a high because maybe I'll bet Dakra a very difficult. So what type driver on the motorway? Bones a video baby no master life, and I do know and a panel so time. You'll be a while. That's a year and a month. And the beer or the double. I didn't know Ghana articulated drivers, Ubun's a region beer,
no or bow. Okay. Ian call Manso and here say Ibenya Union was 0208 123 1016. Hello.
Yeah, hello. Good evening.
Good evening. But what is saying?
Nyamia dum pacho na muswe.
Nyamia dum ya hoye pa. Pacho Uncle Ben wa uti why?
Yo. You did kan ya dama se wo tuma pa mo.
Yeah, that's
Uncle Ben so tianu pa and I say Angela and so se me kan tell no. Why me the details of Uncle Ben ho why you need the mama me enya loan. Me friend I want to go back to the New Zealand. Now, but your question, you mean, say, we do a 10-year route, so now it's only about 5 years. Obey me, I some premium service, maybe. Or pursue application, obey my premium service. My question.
So, question is, what's the application obey me, I be?
The panel, 10-year route.
Or 10-year route or so.
Yes, and partner route. Or say, or switch back 5 years.
Or person switch back 5-year route, no so.
5 years route, yes. In this, or person you have to because then say we have to take a check crack. Person call you no premium service na make decision let me say 24 hours maybe. And maybe settle bit in here.
Mental question, that's Papa.
Say application, you will be over. Oh yeah, you can say express.
Oh, who be so with me a express service?
Oh, premium service.
Premium service.
Of course. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
We found them when too clear until now and tell Papa, but I'm saying the opposite will be saying will be me a premium service. Or I will switch it from 10-year route to 5-year route.
Yes.
Okay.
5 years.
Wait me.
Obey me, why?
Okay, yo, that.
Oh, okay, all right. Kafra, we found them yet too clear, and na yente, Papa. Covenant Grace, and so at the question be about you has a bit of a war page, and so na yade abatoa, or say, can my brother who holds BSc Agriculture from Kwame Nkrumah University of Technology, Ghana, qualify for seasonal work visa? What are the requirements?
I died the requirements. I died for requirements in the two. Oh, brother, I'm sorry, I very not so you overqualified. Anyway, now I say that because vacation job mostly, university for and I got it. Yes, so
Okay.
brother,
I think I'm saying you bet me up pick the flyer and the announcement for farmers I'm say qualification no was so I'm saying no na Uncle Ben per se to so no and or say seasonal worker visa T5 to come to the UK for up to 6 months to do farm work. And then here you need to have a sponsor. Send Uncle Ben kind of farmer be na on sponsorship na so one cast before on job offer. We say we the not less than 18 years. Into if you're 18 you must have a certificate of sponsorship and you must have at least 1,270 available in your account for 28 days unless exempted. And you're wondering say will be this 6 months. 6 months na pa na wotena mane broswa why overstay I know a to emra. And visa fee no 244. I'm saying my boss wa.
No, quite cool. Very simple. Straightforward.
Nti say ukuta professorial degree or say ukuta master so emfa ho say opese obabete ukofum koye adwuma dia.
Opese obete Brussels sprouts and the flowers.
Obi the text we by was it that's the tomato magic. 0208-123-1016 and now say 07950422780. Ube send the WhatsApp audio note to so so. Yabeji ewo line now so 07950422780. We mami fa enko platform no so. Me ba be kind de ba mami fa enko platform no so na afi abusia for NG enhunu send your question no ebesi aba. Say ofrigana ba ye enche. Uncle Ben yemfa ne question no ewa ha. Uncle de pacho twa to my or say I came back from Ghana. But so Saka Pijato so na amafo so ebekata menim de adwanyawe. I came back from Ghana last week. I have settled status but still using my 5-year resident permit EA family member. At the immigration checkpoint, I was subjected to a series of questions such as on what basis did you obtain your status? Where is your wife? Is she working? When did you get married? Why would they ask me all these questions when I have settled status? Also, can I go ahead with my divorce? I've started to panic because of the questions I was asked by the immigration officer. Uncle Ben, Wabedru Airport, and now you don't know when, or yeah, Juma, everybody I'm worried. Mrs. Me was settled status. Inti ka nadri mono. Anything could be a business question.
Well, I mean, I'm afraid, sir, warrior, especially with the EU route now when you divorce, sometimes, we do a re-examine. Now, sometimes, it's me, Emma Omoje was sitting on a free one. The bottom line is, sir, what's a warrior or so Ukuana or you know, in semi fun, and you be sawa, wait me aka. Advice I had the Mobia, sir, Bibia, we be my waging come. Because if you all cry, be sent said, I burn a warrior, maybe I would. Once I went to Kwaya or ban, or indefinite, or permanent residence, or residence card, or limited leave to remain. Sir, would be beer with Tibia, who be do it may be some question. And into Jina Sudinia, and no interest, you bet you from some, but so got to pass or they are. And
you could be some further questions. Well, so for being a wisher, I papa be back. Now, before we bon pay amakwala no bisa papa na say obane ya woro ndabe me body head and I'm refi but it could happen yeah on the spur of the moment and now recreate say day to say and etie okay lawyer we was say or your EU extended family member and or your application before December 2020 and while we were waiting for a decision from the Home Office the case worker called this Tuesday and told me that they can't give it to me because that system is no more. Can you please give me any advice? They gave me a number to call if I want any more information. The number is 0300-123-7379.
That's a problem. And you want to back.
Do you want first number no?
Madam Fred, throw a letter. When you Fred, the BIR may catch lawyers and say, Fred seems to be very easy, but because your per record, Say being a trauma troy, and
Aha.
a joke of friend or catcher, where I go to say now catch.
Okay, sure. I mean, obasana.
Be a record keeping. Chro, omo address, omo email. See, email the year juma because omo do na enya juma office, omo fee. Ti email no year juma. Ti chro. Now, first of all, we say Article 10.3 of the Brexit agreement, you know, Emma requires extended family members so.
Okay.
In any event, you know, when we letter or mature, open the omatro bread and I remember will be.
Okay.
Open the omatro general and so I or Friday, remember will be. What the letter no come one almost say from 1st of July and almost starting issue and yellow crack. Almost starting issue. Say a warmer dream was almost starting issue there and you're fine. But at least this is here one in writing. Almost a law, but in the interim, no, almost say almost use exceptional route now almost they are extended family members. Because be our extended family member be our application before end of December 2020. We are covered by Saadia Yenina Yakun na sometimes and I may feel say home office fire, I almost feel say immigration no I almost feel say you know people will just walk away. Because in certain instances I have people walk away. And sadly no community the people believe that the home office back can even lawyers be correct believe that home office can be and no correct. There been to because law no to follow law no the omo can no correct. I was saying to me challenge you.
Okay. Many be offer we number na ending in 864 but to aso na efre na efabra yenhwe ema. Me question back ko ha lawyer was say or apply to renew the final 2.5 years on the 10-year parent route and or call Croydon say omo checking the documents ema no omo born in sano and a man a letter detailing say or apply under family and human rights route. Is that correct? Is that the correct application category? And after completing my 10-year parent route and getting my settlement, do I need to wait for 12 months before applying for the British citizenship, or I can do it as soon as I get my settlement?
Okay. Well, I mean, first of all, so we have marriage application, and I would now basel, and I would draw based on time I would do a human rights. Now, say Home Office catch us our human rights application. I will say we because I can say a secure right of appeal.
Okay.
Because under Section 82 of the Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act, only human rights application, humanitarian protection, and asylum applications, and I will be to me appeal. Any other thing we need right of appeal. I just say we judicial review and I say administrative review. It is a Home Office cultural say. Ujina or Basso 2.5 years, 10-year route, 2.5 years, 5-year route. Ujina or Yere Ukunso 2.5 years, 5-year route, 2.5 years, 10-year route. A human rights. And it is our crowd application, now human rights a crime for so. So crowd show me say miso application where I may miso a human right. So I need a refuse so me am right of appeal. I a trick of the trade. And normally no I am microphobia in TSC. But one year to say your case be girl be you did not to prison for 4 years for trafficking and prostitution. Now, or I with ni a automatic deportation because what that prison for more than 12 months and I say yeah sentencing it to more than 12 months imprisonment to be a foreign criminal. Now the whole point about deportation me say our presence in UK no and yet conducive to public good, public policy. And I was say a mauko. But girl also our psychological and psychiatry experiences even a psychiatry report and a psychological report last year me read obeti me agina so the application.
Oh, okay.
Bear in mind say deportation order normally I am my right of appeal. But so we are with Section 120 now. I will raise a human rights claim now, and my right of appeal. To be a make us a human rights piano, I am very good also be embracing.
Okay. And Ike, say me who say also comment no I was so anti ma yempeja entum na yenhwe was say I have married for 2 years and recently did a divorce back from Ghana. Is it going to affect my change of circumstances for my new application with my British child from the 10-year route to a parent route with a new partner since the divorce was not done here and or if I have to marry her?
Now, Mama, you're very careful. You paraphrase advice I dema. And into that, a video, no, you did tour for a while. First of all, me said divorce in free Ghana and yet. Me advice and says what now for more than 12 months. Me advice and say you divorce no while. Obey your Ghana, I will say your court process divorce. The NTI make us say you had say. Who catch you be say a court process divorce? Not on the statutory declaration, but near in the Superior Court of Ghana and the High Court of Tamar. As a lawyer, your court. And so,
Your court.
A statutory declaration. And say, I dare a person who say a true divorce certificate. Say a true divorce certificate. A net dissolution certificate. The true divorce certificate. None near a bois say I don't know a valid.
Okay. We say my sister has made an EU settlement application now since February and up till today we still have not got results. She has already done all her biometric inputs. She came here on extended family EE visa.
Well, yeah, the Bamano. Home Officer almost 6 million applications.
6 million?
Yes.
Whoa.
Before, even after June, for 527,000 are applied after June. And the delay, the here say why application online. I'm on a reference number 3434 or Wakobon and Sa when you COE. Are you okay? Or system. So when a cha or call online. If be EU Settlement Resolution Center or call or my telephone number and answer or my email address, or be to me send you my email and I will fill your form. No, I can say application we are checking into my update.
Okay, 07950422780. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, me I just saying.
Ayo, na musu.
Yeah, me adom ye ho ye pa. Uncle Ben wa ha.
Yo, Uncle Ben, what do you know? Let me see your cards. Let me opportunity be after. Maybe some questions in me. Until now, Uncle Ben, now where's the difference between leave to remain and right to remain? Now, what says the war? Would you use law now? You have a right, but not a leave. And she my question, and I can now be person in this understand. And she said,
leave, maybe. Also, no explaining between leave to remain and the right to remain.
No, right to leave. So what will be you law now? A right, but a leave. And say we use patient law so a leave to remain. Something like that.
Okay.
Uncle Ben, and she said, Obi law no make application na access o can say please and support you use EU law. And that means Obi use EU law no application na that day now application is received in the Home Office no. The day and say application article effect na. Let's say the person wants to switch from one category to another.
Line no and your fault will line no a bit who bet me your voice note, mommy?
Matthew.
Your voice note never send me WhatsApp. Why?
You Matthew,
okay, all right, me that's it. All right. Me try say me to me and you are hello. Oh, hello. Oh, I'm saying,
That's also.
I would also, but not in here. Hello. What's the maker? Oh, sorry. Also, but not in here. I'm saying.
Okay, my main question now. My name say Keke Obonidi.
One more.
Okay. And now Keke bisa question about 3C. Say obi eye okuta right of residence and as a residence card and a permanent residence. Now, or your application are called EU settlement scheme. I be man a limited leave now. 3C no kavana now. First of all, exit agreement, EU exit agreement. It protects obia or an application before June. And after June, or follow within exception, we are protected. Am I right of appeal?
Okay.
Under the EU requirement, a friend Citizens Directive 38 of 2004, I transposed by 2006 and 2016 regulation. Your right of admission, initial right of residence, extended right of residence, retained right of residence, and a permanent residence.
Okay.
Niema me boni nyina right. So see I have limited leave to remain. Anna you have indefinite leave to remain. Say obi ewo writer. Case law de say stamp on a passport to mo, stamp in the passport to mo. A writer. And intina we worry EU ni yemfa say 2015. One year application that because and answer what they call and yes o marriage certificate jintum. What about BWF ya kwama ya explain say no maybe our lawyer na a mistake we have a marriage certificate we inti yanko. By 2021 o worry 2015 ya ma 5 years da. But eneno ye kwa akoje a ye nkoje 5 years. Ye beje indefinitely to remain. Because why accumulated right no tema indefinite. It says Zambrano why your boy British for 5 years sir. Now 1 year Zambrano da. Now we qualify under Zambrano. We koya we indefinite leave straight away. And all those 3C no cover EU applications under the old style. But within the new style they cover. But EU exit agreement no it protect obia ema continuity of residence and right of appeal.
Okay.
And Timo bi anya worried say maybe a quarter or no because 3C protect you to continuity of residence no in we and that's all.
Okay.
Good evening, good evening, Uncle Ben. More question about Grabby, Madame Bitmabomia, Pachu, Minu be our
okay. I'm saying, yeah, the better honor Uncle Ben Atonebo I reply because I'm saying quality now and then Bama system no so no and come here, Papa. We say Owari European national and apply a resident for a resident permit a man as an EU family member and after which we did our marriage certificate from Ghana. After 6 months, we got divorced because she said she's no more interested. Now she has the divorce certificate and it has been issued and she says she's going to give it to the Home Office and tell them we are no more couples. My fear is since the marriage has not even gotten to a year and my resident is nearly expired, which I'll need her documents to renew, will it be possible for me to apply or they will refuse it?
Well, first of all, and you share that and can't but my can't. The entire treaty topic, I'm a full second, but I'm still 1% back.
You pen straight away.
Yeah. So what worry EU need? Now EU need to call Ghana, acquire marriage certificate. Now the Home Office say we go our no. Or worry in 3 years, sir. Use the case of Butcher and Brifa. fa challenge say divorce no enye divorce e wo kromo ha we go aware no wo Ghana de ba kromo no ngui enti ya limping marriage enti what aso e ware no the long and short of the entire na yes argument no ya hu say Europe for ni bi menkas sa ba mensa and rewind no ya hu say aware for ni bi ba titiru mma ne mema a omkra European passport o magin krofo atena omo nyina nim sesa aware no indeed 3 years na montena ha 1 year oguna niku ana na yire na ono ye foreigner no ontimi ntena ha anda ono na emo edi 3 years dia nipa na nti obehu se na o makoye divorce free Ghana first of all no under section 55 of the family law 51 of the family law act and 55 of the family law act if be marital status say obi di bi brewa o twro home office obetimi use me article no kra article no wo BWF
website no
matro explaining the case of Botche and Brifa. Botche and Brifa no Botche ne ye EU ni Brifa ne yo ba Botche ne se wakojai Brifa wo Ghana a Brifa se da bi wunya already in 3 years omo maame ene omo papa nyina ma evidence judge ne se ba ko maame twantro ba ko papa nso twantro ama a very interesting case omo amfa lawyers omo anom koye omo case enti judge ne gitumu sampa ye gu aware no wo Ghana be ma ne so bo ne hire ni bibia but
oba no so se da bi yengu
oba no say ya man notice enti first of all no obi gu aware wo Ghana e was so prove so ma notice anu ye one thing na obetimi dia challenges anypa no ana ebiom no e was say ye court enti anya court na ekoye fia aware gu na okoje certificate e wo AMA KMA TMA OBA oboase metropolitan authority na anya valid wa ha challenge home office so home office says chinchina ya gu aware enti omo ebesomu a bra BWF na ye use ye Ghana knowledge no emfentu change yesra EU for no so wo mpe manso a mesraw mamon koyesa so mo koyesa na 3 years no mai na opese wo de say nipa na nkrata na mesraw o de ba ye no be di nyonyo yesra mo bebre
and given wa kan zuri no be di nyonyo because home office for kra GB na nti ye two for no na wo tie and given the last one but the quiz no so because I know so at the another knowledge set at the bebre we say Nike and the buy I have resigned my previous job 3 months ago but the company have an outstanding mileage claim and unpaid holidays to pay me on several emails and calls to my line manager and HR for my P45 and outstanding payment. What legal action can I take?
Obetime the action I call employment tribunal for unlawful deduction. Yeah. The withholding of income, salary, wages, holiday entitlement, and our bonus entitlement. Nina obetime at the claim about. Once or falling within the definition of employed person. Say, or a contractor there, at least use to say will claim for outstanding debt. But so your employee, obetime I call tribunal, or we are money interest and a cost in our account.
Okay. Okay, my main questions in this year because there was me quiz and so Covenant Grace tell us Angoben Wakache was say ibinum try say omo ebe use emra no e de nkrofo and technicalities but eba obetwe ayi men try say metimi Uncle Ade yen hwese betimi afa enuan caller. Hello. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. I told me
Atakwe. Tete.
You more drop or fair or your Jubai.
NLS and Kuku in your Kenyabu. Noji, Nimia Kodi, Nina Ruten, Tomobono, na ni bi injection cause damage lewa on too more than enye yadon yon kemi bi ake kaji toni eku agbene a lift restriction kaji no e ba nye fe na lift restriction yake enye ni tuni ndon biane yana MP ke NP agri si MP la unke nuko chompe ni ba nye ifi yon kemi bi ake miniji noni sani fi biane ni na wala biane don.
Okay, more miniji shin le ne yo ye biye.
Actually 2 years they ba fi indefinite.
Le denche edomo no alo ebi alo
Edomo
ewuno. Okay. Well, first of all, ka odomo obi no, sorry, ka odomo owu no. Be ahabo afi enyoke fan, be afi enyumo be onashin be. Shi kenu ko ba ni esane be ya he o twa ke mo e ba anya ya he benefit alo noko.
Biane ni eti agbune ke injection na ke mo fi amo agbu damage le ni etuni ndon bu.
Okay, ni ewula ntuni.
Okay?
Ewula etuni.
Ewula ntuni si biane le ni etuni ndon.
Ewula la na nye etuni se ewula ntuni.
Si ewula ntuni si le ni etuni ni biane just am realistic ni ne bibe.
Because 5-year route to settlement there's any more anya atwa iba anya kwai e wo kete aka noni aka nka hishka na ji aka jenno but try it on wi aka nye kwai sani government akwele kwakwa na hie e ba afite e wolo e shi ke lo ni esani hilako eba ni esana aka awale ye shika sani mi e ba anya eya ni akwa na je no shi akaleba wo 10 years route ni twa ke 3 years be ba sha 7 years ni ba yi ene me fe sana we na kwa ke e ba wa lo ke wa be twa ke sana mo emo emi ni e ha na ehi awa koni enya gbe afie nyona problem e ji ke nya etuni shika ya he shika ekue be twa enya kwe the requirements ji isani onyo kwa oheni ka o kwa na hinu ya hiska eko e ba agba si agba na hu ke mo wula ntuni kwa na hie enye e benefit the other part ji ke disability immigration san be me because ke disability ni ya he disability allowance allow employment support ni ama aka nye hiska still e banya ya ni akwe ni afiale onu
ke disability e banya hi
oh yeah e banya hi ke once ni disabled ni e banya hi ke disability support allow employment support allowance kana ni bi e banya hi fe
okay
be etuni ndan
etuni dan ni be tuni ne mi ameke e agbu dani dani ne no ni e ka ma kele lenche na go mu fi ameke David e agbu leti agbu
ni e David
agbene enye ni fi no kudun
no mo e wo hani ke benefit bi awie ke doctor ke nye tuni kona me ke benefit ne ba qualify onu
okay yo oradon
wo beshida
wa mi konkesi
Adakwe,
yeah
I'll expect you next week.
yo okay
Okay.
ben na mbi ni number ahun na number into any office number you so into officer ahun
Oh, sorry.
number ntawa na nyeke wo ni na le unye be ma tesin no into WhatsApp bulletin I decline your number is anye feel public
Okay. Adakwe, we'll do that.
why you don't get me
Okay. Adakwe, thank you. 02 I'm saying I feel I'm for Atiesimu. Mami, a few more. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, boss.
Ezekiel,
Ezekiel.
Yes, sir.
oh yeah me Ezekiel
Ezekiel Johnson, yeah.
Mintomabi Sanefioko. Ofana Mintomabi Akesin. Lawyers come I'm a bio affidavit. My name.
I'm a bio meaning
recently
affidavit.
Affidavit.
Yeah.
Mokuke evidence in the Shia Kemba. Ni evidence abasan the few. It was a lawyer care. Actually, affidavit keje. Money fee declaration. It was an to an plan in future difference here mean look. Allo no commit to an only. Danny over no hidden on when. Keji mokuhun fee actually a fee naturalization application. Almost get information but keko ekule nichumone yamanemi for 10 years ni enye kai juba mini beno ebacho ni ebanye ke remedy na constitution and they have information and all you don't
You well, mokuke affidavit usually affidavit back in fair court case. It was sworn statement. Statutory declaration no sworn statement. She statutory declaration normally with affidavit allo court statement civil procedure rules ni ha no bear na kefio with statutory declaration about statutory declaration act ekuya Ghana ekuya beer. The difference between a statutory declaration and affidavit ekumi akenfe court case ekumi akenfe normal further explanation allo sworn statement cat or fair affidavit or banyo use your court statutory declaration coffee no can fe no outside on your chela statutory declaration sorry on your chela affidavit but the difference is just the name. The effect is almost the same. Kemoko or fair British nationality these days are bioake nuchumonochu either 5 years or 10 years because I'm in turn I'm a quack be koyano obeshin no ya tuning low. Ka okai obanya no kai obanya ke do pe awo kono kaya problem be ono
fana you
obeshina
you
Okay. Ezekiel. Oh, okay, he's gone. Equia Nima, the last one I'm picking. Equia Nima say, Uncle Ben and host, I want to know what are the types of evidences you need to prove as a spouse of an EU national towards an indefinite leave to remain status.
First of all, no appendix EU nearby, no the emphasis near residence and yet Juma. Into BB a chess any panatina for 5 years beyond. Normally, no bank statements, of course, which may issue pay slips, P60s, and answer council tax, tenancy agreement, and answer school letters. Any official document beyond a bebo beyond, which may use, yeah.
Okay. I will say, Afi and we're joining here, but you call one very interesting segment of a program. It's become my favorite because enemy who or more challenging me with knowledge any who ends and seminal. But me the quiz no ba na Afi Uncle Ben hey or no any the senior quiz master. Enti say what the answer ne na wetia na mo kire Uncle Ben say ne quiz ne be more den but emunya den sa why ema ihu senior enema ICT. Or say Felix A application on 1st August 2021 for another 2.5 years as a spouse of a British citizen. At the time he made his application, he had 2 weeks leave to remain left on his visa. Unfortunately, application no Home Office and consider before say the visa no away. Ne juma move for say onye juma because the visa no whilst at the Home Office and did not want to commit any offense by employing someone without a valid visa. Now what is the likely defense available to Felix to challenge this employer's decision? Yeah, the fourth one here, none of the above. I know you play it safe and you're quite. As his visa has expired, the employers were right stopping him from working. Sending visa no wouldn't because we need visa and we Felix made his application before his visa expired. He will be covered by Section 3C leave. Senia, you bought and at the beginning, now free last Monday, you bought a Section 3C, no. a cover say application no akodi home office so ansa na visa no ewu a section 3 leave no 3C leave no ewo. And after the employers are not obliged to continue employing him because his visa has expired. Nejuma mu penifo na ase nejuma yura no bibia nhye ne kete se onko so emma na adwuma nya because ne visa na wu nti mamu adwuma obi antimi anya mehwe. Okay, now flow your answers. Waiting to send a text about 07950422780 and I say send a text 07950422780 and I say fato yang Facebook and YouTube comment section no na yang kan ema oba somua ewo Italy uni ajawusu uni ukunu sorry ajawusu ya chiamo edamase se mohwe from Italy sa anso so na yewo na my covenant grace mami eraba kwam shelases sledge Margaret du mensa ane dodoa eka ho no akua nima ewo ha imano kwe ewo ha mekai wo say your number ye de agi your text ane your comments no me siso and I said, you will be a friend. The Obetini friend no 0208-123-1016. And I say 07950-422-780. Now, some mobile number no Obetini friend was so Obetini send the text or so Obetini send the WhatsApp. Okay, now I am picking more answers. Now I am here senior AC Crow. First one. Scania Face, essay number 2. Number 2, yeah, Felix made his application before his visa expired. He will be covered by Section 3C leave. Any case, say number 2. Okay. Of front, so na ya berima or say answer is number 2. Okay. Why be you and waha Amma Dina. Number 2. Number 2 now popular power. Okay. Yanko Nana Sapon say number 2. Ye wo Nana Oberima Obrempon ansa say number 2. Kwaku ade aba kwaku we send the voice note mentimi amo enye me de be subsequent programs but kwaku say number 2. Kwaku me da say. So anso so na ye wo Ruth Muibat we say number 2. Ezekiel Johnson, unupa number 2 okay. Ezekiel cried them say what share ni di enum or say Ezekiel comment no or say Felix should have section 3C continuation of leave. Okay. Nana Ajua Danso Jomo Bonsu essay number 2. Okay. Kofi upon Jare Kofi at the saying we say number 32. Kofi, I'm saying what and now when you sure say 3 and I say 2. Nti yonko adwa na enkwata. Any number 4 na kwatena fence no so. Okay. I think that's the okay. What a clarification about or say a number 2. Nti say we see what GP say a number 2. All right. Mami nkwe na minko professor ho na minko bisa say answer no ebe ye den akoben.
Kwaku normally I set questions here. You perceive educated.
I'm for yeah.
Because Sadia Yakin is bebre to Ghana for. Ube so ye adwuma ma obi na ne visa no akọ home office na akọ no se me you di kofi or so you call lawyer no or so the koji bibi ba me PBB home office letter guso and I go home office letter so na ye nuanom na aye na at the stress and the pressure brown 80 normally now you the nuggets be about is to solve a problem. Okay. At the end of the brain is do one answer near number 2. Because under section 3C, say a certain now we could renew. Now we have application and send a certain now a cool home office Obia no bit me UAD. Say what me actually and say why application quadia. Or no what a share say obey employer checking service our home office. Now or their check here is and pass our application or Intiampa question no number 2.
for unya no baby say obi try crash or be say a quick segment in bia unya no senia ye wi a lawyer mpani for no echeche mu no enti time bia me invite to sebra be kan ye ho ewo the community and the law program no so announce say all the other opportunities at BWF Solicitors at the mind during the week or day echeche ye no ya wada ye wo ye Rainbow Radio so from 9 to 10 in the morning. If you had your GN radio so from 9:30 to 11 or if you had anopa meaning that 12 noon Lawyer Eunice and Vicky hang out on Heritage TV. Now fe edru no 9 between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time as well. Na the community and the law at the abro. Ni nyina say programs ni nyina ni akabum na de ho enkomo abro. Ni wi na ya so wadwene ahwe na ye hunu say de kan no wate ase. And that's an ankaban no nugget ne ba beto ha it comes to solve a problem. And information bia no be ade mawa genuine any conk senior be ebe canon. But BWF Solicitors and waka chen say why ye pre-action protocol at the letter any arguments any consultation akwa say home office the omode koto omanim says ha EU settlement scheme ho diary na ye hwe nyina no ya solve ni nyina nti omo say omo start issue from July. Say Inyamaya, don't worry, you have evidence. Open letter no copy, oko BWF Solicitors or more ebeboa amounts can be. Ube 0208 493 7340 and now say 077 127 61884. And no wait me asende I requested letter no before me I walk back also at the amount now or the ayewo argument because I was set yenyina ye ho etoy. Ebi also so and then they were there aba kwatwe bi apie dia aba ye say 6 months I bet me dey aba ba ye farming adwuma Brussels sprouts and now say tomatoes will be say tomatoes magic. Yes. This is informational. BWF Solicitors at the Bemo. And to compare sponsor, also with the 18, also in 1,270, you're available on your account for 28 days. Unless you say, what the cancer a year requirement. Na, uba 6 months, but Bajuma, Pesca Gubutum Nefako, season for Swan, the same sponsor, the BTM after Waba Baby Yejuma, as many times as possible. Visa fee no a 244. We BWF Solicitors and a debemo. Intimate number no so 0208 493 7340 and answer 077 127 61884. I was here for and then but we have had valuable information and we have learnt a lot. Answer Uncle Ben, but sorry, no, Bibi there be a Ubadi Ayana, my Bibi Mamma, and the bomb and Tuan, and I'm the co. And then I'd be jamming.
Well, quite cool. I'm sir, Hadiam de Beja, dear Yak Camons. A biome, sir, Wufi Ghana, Eba, Kayon, sir, she share quarantine rules, you know. Cecilia, and I'm sir, from the Monday, you know. Sa red, green, nay, amber, no, a neobium, a red, and then the rest of the world. And the rest of the world, and red. If you Ghana, Banwa or Panian, you know, we answer by COVID testing biome, our Ghana. So, our Panian, UK, Europe, and America. So, our Panian or Ghana, the president said, Omunja, you know, British High Commission, a respondent, say, Omugusu, Hessen on Baya, the war Ghana and Africa. And in $50 being $150, don't be me a jet.
I
know you're different. I know you're Ghana buying.
I'm giant
Maya, but for now, no, Panian or Ghana, Nigeria, Togo.
That is what we mean, no,
quarantine 10 days. Obey a day, 2 day, 8. Obey your quarantine for 5 days. Obey a day 5. No free. Dear, the Beckham, Sana, your shas, your kaya. So, what worry or Ghana, Utimija or Ghana? Name what now more than 12 months. And Sana over 2 and a more Casa Ukuja or Ghana. When a Ghana ni lawyer and Casa, non chair Sana obey or Ghana court. And Tessa, your divorce no. So, person your divorce no Ghana. A BWF Ghana, more your register with Ghana Bar Association to be to me. After BWF Solicitors or Ghana, normal you divorce now. But the bottom line is, so who could go our rain fee Now what the case oh me worry o EU aware me pese me gu no ansa na wanya 3 years na me pese me de twa waso a na wo kogu no fi na wo de ba ye de akase enye
valid
to be a oni EU ni to be a EU ni na kogu aware o fi o de aba onu ni mo hwe no onko your website no obehu case of Botwe and Brewa mature article 10 was print na fato se bitoa fakoma home office na ka chom say divorce no enye valid.
Abusia say ayoda catch will be say same time next week yeah another edition ebeba but your footage no ewo your Facebook page no so your footage no ewo your YouTube page no so ene near live ewo YouTube BWF Solicitors near live ewo Facebook BWF Solicitors near live ewo Abawa Radio so ewo UK ha Abawa Radio eye echna enwumre 7 o'clock UK time omo the audio version of this program ever sign out to radio no so repeat the amount nti say wo me say live one na me maning how p echna wonsa ebeka the same valuable set of information ye dey ebre amount for live sounds so na eye Pastor Augustine Aboaje eye ni PAM TV so no odi yen eto so ema amount for nso so ehwe ye na mo share ye no let me give you the results I think we had about 350 no. Okay, next week, yeah, me hese mbetimi a share no sa ade amamia. But ni nyina mu no me koso adawase se ene woni atena se na me koso ahye unkran se ene BWF Solicitors ene inketa ho because eno ne emra adwumaku a obetimi de wo ho atoso. The evidence media ma wone kra no eche se you can trust them. Enti abusiafo munya nka me ho na yemfasida emma the senior partner BWF Solicitors eye Uncle Ben say ene oba ebeboa ye Uncle Ben mijina tiefo any staff and afi nyina anem na yada wase so nkokra
ku am say aseda kese no ekoma yeah community na mo support ye ana dodo no nso koma wo ane wapamfo omususu afidie mo chinchim say yenya ye community na be support ye na mo share na agrono nso ana yenya won so ambetena ha ambisa nsam ni yi eno nso ebia na
me sese o
ni nyina kan am say Bible no kraka say obia play the role e wa sorry sana obia play ti da mo nyina ase nyame nhira mo na mon koso support lawyers na eba no anya de bia na metimi aba anya say because me pese me ba but because ye djuma na senate no aya lawyers na was some ba live na mo rapid questions na omo dwen wo mo na so na otibia okwa ye catch and say wait no I revise ti ni nyina ye na boa say be ya daachi bia no say be djuma ye nyenche say be me wo mid 50s anya afi na medi 70 nyina na mete ha nti eda was a young ones no so nti na almost some ban but yes ya wa ha ikutem ya damase
nti nyame aduma next week anka be my hint minia adesua ye de ebebre wo no eye kwan ya obefa so abie adwuma ebe gina yie na wa sustain na wanya so mfaso empembe biye na se mfie bibre wo wanim no nti don't miss the next edition of the Community and the Law and all the other programs that BWF Solicitors brings us during the week. If I'm a recruit frimpon, ena medubesi asadanko emma se ohweye asadaka se enko emma ena me technical director and the floor manager Professor Ade sanso so ena Padmo Dudu ena Sheila Ankra se omotachi the admin and the aesthetic works sanso so na asada enko emma BWF Solicitors abusiafo enyina to Cynthia Joa Beatrice Lord Mackenzie Abby and all the staff and Sandra your new front desk managers no also so yada say mo akọ aba sanso so na accounts ye call Lord Chancellor ye Forsen ene obusuafo amu accounts department ye chairman nyina edamo ase sanso so ena yede yasada emma lawyers ahodo no lawyer Eunice lawyer Richard lawyer Patrick lawyer Charles omonso so eboa etiachire na sedwumadi ekoso they do a lot of production work supplying me with information so I can ask the relevant questions omunyina so yekoso edamas ena wo so opeke ye link na wo share thank you so much I admire you and appreciate you. Nyame aduma same time next week. I will say your sign Asia bio na we'll do it and get it better and more. Na amanfo nso enya so emphasis. Se ope emremu program pa se ebeboa na wate ehunu a eno ene the community and the law, supported and sponsored and of course produced by BWF Solicitors. Nyame nka ho ye be share the same.
Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, yeah. How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me? Lord, you are.